Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Welcome to our deep dive into Reclaim AI, a revolutionary tool that promises to transform your Google Calendar from a mess to a productivity haven. Reclaim AI isn't just another calendar app, it's an intelligent assistant that automates your schedule, ensuring you get the most out of every day. Let's find out how it works and why it might be the solution you've been looking for. Feature 1. Seamless Calendar Syncing. Reclaim AI integrates with your multiple Google Calendars, merging personal and professional commitments while maintaining privacy. It labels personal time simply as personal commitment, keeping the details private. Feature 2. Distinguishing free time from defended time. Reclaim AI cleverly allocates tasks within your schedule, marking them as free until they become a priority, then switching to defended to prevent overbooking. Feature 3. Categorizing meetings, tasks, and habits. With Reclaim AI, every aspect of your life is organized. Meetings are immovable, tasks are flexible, and habits are recurring, each given the attention they deserve. Feature 4. Intelligent buffer time. Say goodbye to back-to-back meetings. Reclaim AI smartly schedules decompression or travel time, ensuring you're never overstretched. Feature 5. Robust integrations. From Google Calendar to Zoom and Slack, Reclaim AI syncs with the tools you already use, streamlining your workflow and communication. Users report significant improvements in managing their schedules. They've found more time for personal commitments, reduced stress, and increased productivity. With Reclaim AI, saying no becomes easier as you can clearly see your priorities laid out. Reclaim AI offers a free plan, ideal for individual users, and premium options for those needing more robust features. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, there's a plan that fits your needs. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.